In this video, we're going to show you to install ignition coils on your Jeep Patriot located on top of your engine. With the hood open, grab your engine cover, gently lift straight up, dislodging the retainers, and set that aside. Now we're going to be accessing the top portion of the engine here, and we have a whole bunch of debris. If you have debris there, go ahead and use a vacuum or some sort of device to clear this off. Make sure you're wearing safety glasses if you are using compressed air like we are. Along the top of the valve cover here, you're going to have 4 ignition coils, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they all have a harness attached to them. Now you can see the little red clips here. Those are locking clips. You can use a pocket screwdriver. Sometimes you can use your finger to slide those down, but a pocket screwdriver works just as good. Just slide that back and then push down on the little tab right here, and then pull that harness off, just like so. Now we're going to use a T30 Torx bit to go ahead, loosen and remove that screw. Save that screw. Go ahead and grab that coil. You're just going to gently twist it and pull upward. Drop the coil down inside. Give it a little twist, pushing it down. Let's go ahead and tighten that down. Once that bottoms out, just snug it just a little bit more. Doesn't have to be super tight, but just enough to make that secure. Take your harness, line that up, push it on. You're gonna feel in here it click. Once you do, go ahead and press that red lock tab over. Now, if that red lock tab does not want to move, that means that your connector is not fully seated. Make sure that it's on, and then that red lock tab will pop on over. Now you want to go ahead and repeat this process for the other 3. When installing the engine cover, make sure that these rubber grommets line up with the metal studs on top of the engine. What will also help you is lining up the oil fill cap and the oil dipstick. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.